start today's video on the iPhone. If you notice, the quality is a little bit better. I did get a new phone. I got myself an iPhone 11, which is much better. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a video in, that's been over 2 weeks now. Flies. But today, give me 1 second. I'll come right back and I'll show you guys what we're doing today. So we are going to be doing front wheel spacers on the car because I can't flip it, but the fitment on these is absolutely trash. It's just not good. They're really sunken. Like if you look down at the fender, I don't know if you guys can see any of that. If you look down at the fender, there's just nothing. You can't even so much as see the wheels. So we are going to jack the car up and hope that a 5/16 thick spacer, like they're not that thick, there's 2 in there, will fix this fitment just a little bit because it is not too good. And I'm sorry if you see the nice glisten on the old forehead. It is 85 degrees and humid as hell today, so it is just not good. But we are going to start on this thing, and I'm going to start by jacking it up and taking the wheels off. Alright, so now that I have my trusty impact right here, and I have my jack, I don't mind my ghetto ass jack either, I'm working from home. We are now going to now your car's all jacked up. Take your impact. Take all your lugs off. And after all your lugs are off, rip the wheel off. And smooth that over with. Then, take your wheel spacers and open these bad boys up. Take them out. Now, these are not hub-centric, which you want. Hub-centric is your best friend, but hub-centric is not what I bought. These I got off of a friend's discount. Sorry, wiping my face. I got these off of a friend's discount, which cost me $13. He got me a pretty hefty discount on him because he works at AutoZone. Shout out to Andrew. But these, I'm hoping, pull the wheels out just enough. But now that you have your wheel spacer on, come over here, you move your lugs back out of the way. Come and you sit down. I'll go higher. Wheel back on. fighting, it would have been really good too. Try this one more time. I'm thinking. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. Yes, they are. Alright, well, took the back with the spacer on. There's not enough threads to put the wheel back on. So, scratch the spacers, I guess, until I can get extended studs, which I don't have. But what I am going to do today is I'm going to check a little front end wobble that I have been getting, which is not fun. I have stuff on my glasses. It is hot, guys. It's inside there. Just don't pay attention to it. But yeah, those aren't gonna work. So plan of attack now is to check my front end wobble that I have. And I'm actually thinking the front end wobble might have been a little bit of some loose lugs, which kind of sucks. But that tells me that I need to check them and torque them. So we are going to take a little peek around on the front end of the car. Make sure I tighten all my lugs down nice and good. Not even gonna try the other side because clearly those won't work. So, oh well, it is what it is. I'll throw them up for sale for 20 bucks, make a profit or something off of them. You know, that's how you live life. But I want to point out one thing that these Infinitis do have, and that's look at the size of this front sway bar. I don't know if you can see it. Like, they're just huge. The front sway bar in these cars is just gargantuan, and it's insane. But the brakes are still looking good. Nice and pretty. I do want to paint the rotors a different color eventually, but I don't have time for that right now. So, we are just going to dibble-dabble around a little bit on checking some things. Make sure nothing's loose all up in here. And then, wow, I'm sweating. It's humid. And then I am going to play some extra footage for you guys that I took at a car show at Old Settlers in North Bend. So there wasn't really that many cool cars, so I couldn't make a full video out of it. So I'm just going to give you guys that after this video, and then I'll close it out after that. So let's check the front end real fast to make sure the front end's all good, tighten everything down, check my lugs on the other side, and then that's gonna be it. And then I'm gonna send you guys to the car show. So I'm gonna set you guys back down and get back to work. Always remember as well, when you tighten your wheels, you do a star pattern. Always. Always a star pattern. But I'm gonna jack this all the way up so that the wheel can spin. Okay. So, we're gonna sit down here. There's no play this way. You guys can't see what I'm doing, but I'm checking for play. And there's no play that way. Oh yeah, the car's all-wheel drive, duh. But it is seems fine to me. I'm gonna re-hit these all again. I'll show you the star pattern now. First, you come here, give it a tap. Oh. Then you come here, then you come here, then you come here, then you come here. So it's a big star pattern. But I am going to button this all up, and then I'm going to close out the video and send you guys to my car show experience. All right, I am sweating really bad. So I'm going to close out the video here. This should be a longer video, hopefully to tide you guys by for a little bit. But I did want to tell everyone the G35 is in fact for sale. I probably don't have anyone from Nebraska that follows me on this platform, but if you haven't seen it on Facebook, it is up for sale. Not for much, actually. For a G35, it's not up for very much. It's up for $4,500. I am looking to get a different car, as I've said in a lot of my previous videos. But it hasn't been problematic. I just want to get into a different platform. I want to be in something manual again. Even if I could find the same exact car, the same G35 in a 6-speed, I would buy it in a heartbeat. But I cannot buy another car until this one sells because, you know, things. So, just figured I'd tell you guys this thing is, in fact, for sale. And I did want to apologize for not being very active here, but I have been very active in the gym. I get off work and I just go to the gym. So I just really haven't been doing any car things. I probably could be recording gym content for you guys just to get something out, because I'm sure you guys, most car guys, still enjoy it. But I have not been. So regardless, here's a video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm hoping the next one is going to be soon, but we did have an epic fail. The spacers did not work. That kind of sucks. And I could not find anything in the front end of the car that was wobbly or anything, so hopefully all is good. But I am going to send you guys now to a week ago, I want to say, about a week ago at a car show up in North Bend, about 5 miles that way. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Well, long story short, I could not get the video from the GoPro to render, so there is nothing for the GoPro. You guys will not be seeing the car show. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one.